I was losing a bunch of my hair, I was constantly fatigued. At my worst point, I think I was sleeping like 15 hours a day, constantly sick to my stomach, just overall feeling awful probably 90% of the time. I had gained a ton of weight. I felt miserable. I couldn't live the way that I'd been living for my whole life. You know, it's really crazy when you're 22 years old and you act like you're 80. I did think I was crazy, and many other doctors made me feel that way when I initially saw my general practitioner, and she told me I was probably just tired from college, you know, and people look at you and you don't look sick, but inside you feel awful. You start to think, am I making this up? Am I crazy? When I first met Dr. Holden, I thought, wow, this woman is very genuine. She really cares. I think she spent an hour or a little more with me, just asking me a bunch of questions, you know, things that I didn't even realize were wrong with me. I had what they call candida in my stomach, which is an overgrowth of yeast. And so she taught me how to eat to kill that yeast. I also have an autoimmune disorder called Hashimoto's, and she talked to me a lot about how to treat that, and we went through, I think, a 3-month process to sort of get everything balanced out, and I pretty much got my life back. I was struggling to make it through class or to make it through work, and you know, planning my life around when I could sleep, pretty much when I could take a nap. And now I don't have to think about any of that. I wake up and I go through my day just like most people do. It's great. I lost about 10 or 15 pounds, I think. The last time I remember waking up with energy was when I was 14 or 15. And so this is the first time in 11 years that I feel really good. I tell everyone that Dr. Holden is awesome. She's become like a friend to me, somebody that I have a lot of confidence in. I've been done for a few months now, and I haven't had a need to come back. I would say on a scale of 1 to 10, back then my life was a 2, and now I would say I'm at a 9.